Welcome to Investing in Our Scottsdale Quarterly Recap, highlighting projects from Scottsdale's Capital Improvement Program. Fire Station 601 Ambulance Expansion. The Scottsdale Fire Department is expanding services in South Scottsdale to meet the growing demand for high-quality emergency medical care. To support the recently launched city-operated ambulance program, an ambulance annex will be built adjacent to Fire Station 601 on Miller Road, just north of McDowell Road. The ambulance annex will ensure continued rapid and efficient response to both emergency and non-emergency calls in the Station 601 service area, which serves over 37,000 residents and visitors. The $9.5 million expansion project will serve primarily as a dormitory and operational base for ambulance personnel. It will include limited but essential interior space, including an office, kitchen, dining area, bathrooms, and medical storage, as well as 3 vehicle bays. The facility will house 2 fire department rescues and 1 supervisor vehicle. The new annex will be located just north of the current station, and exterior improvements to the site will include landscaping, on-site parking, a mechanical equipment yard, and perimeter security fencing, all designed to blend with the existing neighborhood and maintain community aesthetics. Paved dirt roads, PM10. This fall, the City of Scottsdale will pave several existing dirt roads to provide better dust control. The roads will receive an asphalt surface in lieu of the temporary dust control measures that are currently applied on a 6-month basis. Additionally, mitigation measures will take place as part of this project to redirect stormwater runoff. This $14.7 million project was primarily funded by a grant, with the remainder being paid for with Scottsdale's transportation sales tax. Work on 3 of the 5 roadway segments is now complete, and all work is scheduled to be complete by mid-December. Via Linda Police Station Renovation. The renovation of the Via Linda Police Station is a multi-year project designed to improve efficiency, safety, and functionality for our police department and emergency communications teams. Bond Project 33 provides $16.6 million in funding for the overall renovation of the Via Linda Police Station. Bond Project 29 funded the $600,000 replacement of the 911 dispatch workstations. Together, these projects enhance public safety operations and ensure our first responders have the tools they need to serve the community effectively. Phase 1, completed in March of 2024, focused on the 2nd floor, transforming the space into a more efficient and modern hub for public safety by enclosing the atrium to create additional space for the new real-time crime center and a new dispatch training area. Phase 2 is now nearing completion on the 1st floor. This phase focuses on remodeling the jail area to reopen it for use. Once completed, the Via Linda Jail will serve both short-term and long-term needs in Scottsdale's North region, allowing work to proceed on a separate Civic Center jail renovation in South Scottsdale. The final phase of the project is now in design and will include renovations to the remaining 1st floor and basement areas, as well as site improvements to expand staff parking. When complete, the Via Linda Police Station will provide a modern and efficient space that supports Scottsdale's public safety team. Site 42, Water Reservoir Rehab. Scottsdale has recently completed the $2.7 million rehabilitation of a 2.5 million gallon water reservoir near Pima and Jomax Roads. Extending the tank's life through rehabilitation was a cost-effective solution, allowing the existing infrastructure to serve longer without the high cost of full replacement. Construction began in December of 2024 with the dewatering and careful deconstruction of the existing roof panels by removing each column and beam piece by piece to prepare for the installation of a brand new roofing system. Unexpected floor repairs were identified and completed through spot welding and patching before receiving protective coatings to ensure long-term durability. The new overflow spillway improves drainage and helps control potential flooding throughout the site. New electrical conduits and monitoring devices were installed, allowing for efficient remote communication and system management. Roof vents and access hatches were added for safety and ventilation, along with a new ladder equipped with safety rails for secure access. This $2.7 million tank rehabilitation project ensures the stored water remains clean and safe for potable use, providing reliable, high-quality water to our community. Doubletree Ranch Road Bridge Rehabilitation. The City of Scottsdale recently completed the rehabilitation of 2 aging bridges on Doubletree Ranch Road that cross through the Gainey Ranch Golf Course. Built with timber beams, railing, and decking supported by reinforced concrete substructures, the bridges reached the point where rehabilitation was needed to ensure long-term safety and reliability. Located just east of Scottsdale Road, these bridges each carry 2 lanes of traffic. Work was carefully phased to keep traffic moving safely throughout the project. Crews demolished and rebuilt the eastbound bridge first while maintaining one lane of traffic in each direction on the westbound bridge. Then, the process was repeated for the westbound structure. This $5.7 million project replaced the timber superstructures, railings, and decking, restoring the bridges to their original appearance and strength. The existing concrete substructures remain in good condition and were preserved, minimizing the cost and the environmental impact. Construction began in May of 2025 and was completed in October. And that concludes the latest highlights of capital projects in our community. Thanks for watching.